Hey guys, welcome back to the Mela Show. This is part 2 of our videos explaining the tribes in Eritrea. Today we're going to talk about the Tigre and the Bilen tribes. Stay tuned. Tigre. The Tigre are known for their singing, dancing, rich literature, poetry, stories of war, and the supernatural. They inhabit the northwestern Eritrea. They have somewhat shifted into Sudan in search of water and grazing lands. The Tigre are traditionally nomadic shepherds. The Tigre in Eritrea have suffered from recent droughts, famine, and civil war. Although many are still nomads, most are semi-nomadic. Others have settled and become farmers. They speak a Semitic language related to ancient Ge'ez and to modern Tigrinya called Tigre. Most literate Tigre write in Arabic. Most of the Tigre converted to Islam during the 1800s, influenced by Muslim Arab missionaries. Therefore, Islam makes up 95% of population, while Christians are only 0.09%. The nomadic Tigre raise cattle, goats, sheep and camels which are sold in the markets. They don't live in villages but roam with their herds in the countryside. They live in round huts, usually covered with mats made of woven goat and camel hair. The settled Tigre farmers raise different types of crops. They live in villages and their homes are usually round with a cone-shaped roof made of branches and leaves. With unpredictable amounts of rainfall and families averaging 7 children, many Tigre are dependent on government aid for survival. The Tigre's traditional animal skin clothing has been replaced with commercial clothes. Their diet consists of dairy products, fruits, grains, and some slaughtered stock. The men tend the livestock, while the women carry water from the local water holes, build the huts, and care for the children. Tigre women like to wear jewelry, especially silver bracelets and strings of pearls. Tobacco, coffee, and beer are taken frequently. Marriages are arranged by the parents. Their wedding customs are varied. Since the Tigre converted to Islam, some follow the Islamic customs, while others still follow the traditional customs. Their traditional beliefs include animal sacrifices and rain-making rituals. They believe that sacrifices become the scapegoats for their sins. They also believe in an evil spirit called Zar, who possesses people and causes accidents, illnesses, and sometimes death. They depend on shamans to cure the sick and communicate with the spirits. They also exorcise demons. Bilen. The Bilen are an Agriculturist Cushitic ethnic group in Eritrea. They are mainly found in the central Eritrea, in and around the city of Keren, and also towards Asmara, which is the capital city. It is said that the word Bilen in Saho, an ethnic group in Eritrea, means Christian. The Bilen are 2.1% of Eritrea's population. About 50% of the population are Christians, primarily Catholic, while the rest are converts to Sunni Islam. Their language is also called Bilen. The most common cereal among this ethnic group is millet. This cereal is ground by women on millstones, and the flour used to make kacha, ka'at, injera, and hanza. Some cereals are eaten boiled. Most of the utensils used in the preparation of this food are homemade. The Bilen use dairy products as their staple food. This is because most of the members of this ethnic group are farmers raising livestock. Shiro is also one of the most usually prepared dishes. Meat is eaten, especially during holidays. The members of this ethnic group are also experts at preserving food, which are commonly used for long travels. When it comes to dressing and jewelry, there are various types of ornaments made by professionals for male and female customers. Bilen women are known for their brightly colored clothes and their gold, silver, and copper nose rings, which indicate their social status. An unmarried girl puts an earring made of silver, and of gold if she's from a rich family. If she's married, she puts on 4 in each ear, and she puts a gold ornament on her forehead. Women who cannot afford silver or gold use beads instead. Men sometimes use silver leg pads and silver earrings, especially during the initiation ceremony. For fashioning long and loose strands of hair with wet look, Bilen women apply butter mixed with powder made of roasted dura or plain earth to make the strands. In addition, they apply henna to their legs and hands. Among this ethnic group, males do sometimes apply butter to their hair. When the women grow old, they are expected to shave their heads or have their hair plaited without ornament. The Bilen live in houses known as abdos. These abdos have a similarity with the ones built in the highlands. Among this ethnic group, engagement is a family affair. The future spouses have no say in their future married life. The marriage candidates have to fulfill the following requirements: same religion, close blood relationship for the Muslims, and no blood relationship up to 7 generations for the Christians, riches, and also health. In engagement, the father of the son has nothing to offer the father of the girl. In fact, it's the girl's father who's expected to give a cow or an ox. On the 3rd day of the engagement, the mother of the girl boils legume and distributes to the village. This is in hope that her grandchildren will multiply like the sand. A newly married couple will live with the groom's family for quite a while. But when they have their own house, their role in the society changes. They become full members of the society with more privileges, although the woman is never equal to the man. Everything in the house is under the man's control. After the wedding ceremony, the groom holds a week-long feast with his friends. Throughout this period, the groom isn't supposed to touch his wife. Afterwards, however, a year-old honeymoon starts, with which a woman is allowed to perform light housework and the in-laws do all the heavy work. Until the age of 4, children are allowed to play together, after which gender separation begins as they both develop interests in different types of games. This is also in preparation for the different roles that males and females will play as adults. This marks the end of our video for today. I hope you guys have learned a lot about the Tigre and the Bilen tribes. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe and also hit the bell so that you can be notified when our next video is up.